Stereo acoustic guitar that's actually two guitars that I usually like to split out. So let me go ahead and split these out into two separate tracks, a left and a right. And then I'll hide and make inactive this one here. This is a nice trick that I like to do to keep these separate. So I have an EQ on these, and I'm gonna zero it out, make it default here, and then I'll make this one default as well. We'll probably treat them the same way. I also like to use the API 2500 as far as a compressor goes on the acoustic guitars. And so I'll bypass that for now so we can hear what's going on there. And then I usually like to put just a limiter just in case it has anything that goes over the top. All right, so let's get this bite here. Let's go ahead and go. So threshold all the way at 20. This is the best way, or what I view as like the secret awesome way to set up your SSL channel strip kind of compressor here. And then fast release, I think back in the day we called it the instant awesome preset. And you can use it on this, you can use it on vocals, you can use it on all sorts of things, and it's so helpful. And then you adjust the ratio to get about 3 dB worth of reduction sometimes. So let's just listen to this one. You can tell it's really biting right now, really cutting through, so I'm going to bypass this. We'll listen, and then I'll unbypass it. Just makes those attacks a little bit more aggressive. And I'm going to scoop this all the way up to till I basically hear some of the low ends go away, and then I'm going to back it off from there. About there. Give it a little bit of a lift above 8K. And like 3.5. And on the API 2500, I like to start off this. You can start off with like a preset. The acoustic guitar preset is really nice on this, but at the same time, you got to make some tweaks to it. So the threshold is way over there. You can see it's just slamming this thing. I usually take the threshold all the way down and then mix it up until I'm getting about there. Now there's two guitars. They're going to be slightly different. I know this one's playing different stuff. So EQ might be the same because it's probably the same guitar player, just overdubbed. But then he's playing it slightly differently, so the compressor is going to be slightly different. So let's check this. Looking good. And now with the L2007 mastering limiter, I'm going to go ahead and even out the volume. So the right one, so the faders will basically be the same, but they'll be outputting at the same volume. All right, let's take a look at the